In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2014 through 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. To open this key fob, all you will need is a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver in the backside notch of the key fob and twist. Once you have the key fob open, you'll see the battery is located here. You may want to use the small flathead screwdriver to help pry the battery out by pushing down and using the screwdriver. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Then you can just snap the key fob back together and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.